Have you ever wondered how DNA can be used to convict a criminal?
Great, you can make it to the crime scene so fast. As you can see to your right on the floor, this is where the professor was murdered.
Have you ever wanted to work in a CSI lab and help solve a murder case? With Labster, you can. And combined with Samsung Gear VR, you can bring this experience to virtual reality. With Labster, anyone can become a scientist and experiment with high-end lab equipment that would cost millions of dollars in the real world. In this virtual lab, you will learn how to prepare blood samples from a crime scene and produce a genetic fingerprint of the murderer. You will perform PCR experiments and analyze your results with gel electrophoresis. Unlike on TV, you are the scientist. You are the one that has to perform the experiments. A virtual lab assistant will intelligently guide you through the experiments as if you had your own personal teacher standing right next to you.
Now, let's compare the genetic fingerprint of the murderer with our suspect.
Imagine a world where learning is achieved by doing, and where there is one teacher for every student. On top of the hands-on experience with all the lab equipment, you will experience biology at the molecular level, something that is simply not possible in the real world. Your learning will be tested by quiz questions that you can access, together with the relevant theory, in your virtual lab pad. The virtual lab assistant will guide your reading step by step to ensure you focus on the parts that are the most relevant to your training and skill level. Would you get enough data to convict the murderer? Bring life science teaching to life with Labster and Samsung Gear VR.